Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. Today we are going to discuss part 6.6 pickling and unpickling in Python, right? So guys, before starting with the lecture, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support, right? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, now let's see the agenda what we have today. Firstly, we are going to discuss pickling and unpickling in Python, and then we will see real world example of it. And then we will try to write code for pickling and unpickling in Python. And finally, we will discuss advantages and disadvantages of pickling and unpickling, right? So guys, you can see here we have the question, what is pickling and unpickling, right? So guys, basically pickling and unpickling are very important when we have to transfer Python objects from one machine to another machine, vice versa. For example, in Python, pickling is the process by which Python objects are converted to byte streams. Pickling is about serializing the object structure in Python. So guys, you can see here we have the list. We are converting list into the byte stream, right? So guys, you can see it is a byte code of this list, right? So we converted this list into byte. So this process is called pickling, whereas unpickling is a process of retrieving the original Python object from the stored string representation, right? From the pickle file. It is the process of converting a byte stream into Python object, right? So guys, you can see here we convert a list into the byte code, right? In order to convert this byte stream into the number, it is known as unpickling. So guys, we saw the pickling and unpickling. Now let's see the real world example of it. Machine learning model persistence. In machine learning, trained models can be pickled and saved to a file. The model can be reused later without the need to retrain it every time, right? Unpickling the model allows for quick and efficient predictions or further training, right? So guys, with the help of pickling, we don't need to retrain the model again. We can just save the model into pickle file. Then we can use the model without need to retrain it again, right? So guys, I want to show you my machine learning project where I use this pickling concept, right? It is the front end of my project. So guys, you can see here it is my pickle file. It is my model. I saved into the .pickle file. I mean the pickle, right? Here I am unpickling my model, right? It is a pickle model. With this joblib.load, I'm unpickling my model here, right? So guys, when we enter these details, it will give the average medical cost prediction, right? So here I want to enter my age 23, body mass index is 25, children's 0, smoke no, and the region is southwest, right? So guys, you can see I got this output, predicted insurance charge. So guys, when we enter the age, gender, body mass index, number of children, smoker yes or no, and the region, so all these parameters will go into this .pickle model, and this model is giving one prediction value. So after all the steps, the model is giving some prediction value, right? So we are printing this value in this home.html file. So we are getting the output in the website, right? So guys, it is a real world example of pickling and unpickling. We can use this concept in the web application, in the software, in the remote servers, etc. Now let's see the coding for pickling and unpickling. So before starting with the coding, we need to import pickle package. We imported pickle package, imported. Now here I want to create one list, lst equal to, in the list I want to enter integer number, float number, one string, one boolean value, one more integer. So you can see we got this list. We need to convert this list object to byte stream. So guys, now just focus here with open data.pickle, and the mode is w mode, right? Bytes. So guys, you can see in this folder I don't have any data.pickle file. If we don't have data.pickle, this wb mode going to create this file. Now here, as I want to give file handle, in the pickle package we have dump method. With this dump method, I'm going to convert this list to byte stream. My list, here I give the list I have created. Now here I want to pass file handle. Now here I need to pass one protocol, pickle.hash protocol, right? It is going to convert our list into byte stream. Here I want to print one message, pickling object is created. You can see here we got one error. We need to pass wb mode in the string only. Pickling object is created. So guys, you can see I got this data.pickle file. You can't see the data which is available in this data.pickle. The pickling is completed. It is pickling. Now we need to unpickle the data. data dot pickle. So guys, now let's write code for unpickling with open data dot pickle. So here we need to give RB, that means read byte as file handle. Here you can see as means alias name. So guys, you can see I gave this file handle name to this entire name, right? Here I want to see original data equal to pickle dot load. We need to pass this data dot pickle original data. Just a second. Here we need to file handle. Yeah, you can see we got the original data. So guys, you can see here we converted data.pickle this list into byte stream. Now with the unpickling concept, we are converting back the list form from the byte stream. This dump method is going to convert list into byte stream. This load method converts back from bytes to object, right? It is a code you need to remember. 3 lines code for pickling and 3 lines code for unpickling. So guys, now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of pickling and unpickling. In the advantage, we have first one, data persistence. Pickling allows us to store the state of your Python objects, making it easy to save and retrieve data between the program and executions. So guys, you can see in this example, we saved our list into byte stream. We are converting back to our original list. So it is a data persistence. We are not losing any data, right? We got the exact data what we have in the list. Second one, interoperability. Pickle files can be shared and used across different Python programs, making it a convenient way to exchange data. So guys, you can see in this folder, we got this data.pickle. So we can send this file to anyone and anyone can unpickle file. They will get the original data. The third one is ease of use. The pickle module provides a simple interface for serialization and deserialization, requiring minimal code to save and load objects. So guys, you can see, I said here, we have only very less code. So guys, you can see, ignore this print function. We have only 2 lines of code to convert to pickle. The serialization. We have only 2 lines of code to convert it back to the deserialization, unpickling, right? It is very easy to use. Now here you can see we have the disadvantages. First one is security risk. Unpickling data from untrusted sources can pose security risk, as maliciously crafted pickle files could be execute arbitrary code during the unpickling process. So guys, you can see we have this data.pickle. You can send this file to your friend, right? But if you are downloading the pickle file from the unknown server, then you may face this security risk. The second one is Python specific. Pickles are Python specific and may not be easily readable or usable by programs written in other programming language. That means only Python supports pickling concept. Other languages can't support this concept. So guys, I want to give an example. We saved our pickle file using Python. If we want to load the pickle file, we need to use Python only. If I want to load with Java, we will get error. The third one is version compatibility. Pickle files may not be backward or forward compatible across different Python versions, potentially causing issues when trying to load pickle data in a different Python environment. So for this also, I want to give an example. Here we saved data.pickle with Python 11.00 version. If you have the Python version 3.01, if you load this file, you may get some compatibility. You may get some errors. So these are the disadvantages we have and these are the advantages we have. We completed with the lecture pickling and unpickling, right? So in the next video, I'm going to begin our project number 5. So guys, I'm requesting you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support. I will try to make videos regularly and you need to support me regularly. So bye for now. See you in the next video.